Hey everybody, I hope all is well. It's shortly after 2 o'clock in the morning. I got parked over here at the local Walmart probably about 20 minutes ago. The noise you hear in the background is the vehicle's air conditioning system. I do have the van running, so my DC to DC charger can throw a little bit more juice in my batteries. The battery that runs my inverter that I used to cook with and all that didn't get fully charged today, but it'll be alright. Tonight, I'm gonna have some burgers. Black Angus bacon and cheddar cheese. I've had these before, they're pretty good. Right now I've got the pan warming up. It's just about ready to throw them in there, and I'll be back shortly with a little bit of progress. Yeah, that pan's good and warm, so I just threw the frozen burger patties in there. And I got some buns to put them on. I'm feeling fancy now. Anyway, back shortly. Alright, I've done the prep work. I put mayonnaise on the buns and I got the cheese ready to throw on there. These are bacon and cheddar burgers, but I still like to add a slice of American cheese on every burger I ever make. And since they taste so good, the only thing I added to them was minced onions, just to get a little bit of that flavor in it. I know it ain't a real sliced onion, which is perfect for burgers, but hey, it's what I got tonight. Anyway, as I've said before, if anybody's got any recipes they'd like to see me try in this van, let me know. I'm always looking for something new, and I'm getting kind of stale with my cooking in a van. I know I've been doing a lot of steak and shrimp, and I want to try other things. I just don't really know what else to try. So if you got any good recipes, let me hear them, alright? I decided to add a little something to the mix. Sweet and Sassy baked beans by Serious Bean Company. I'm not sponsored by them, I just like their products. It says, this flavor is made with brown sugar and the 23 flavors of Dr. Pepper. They're good beans. They also have some jalapeno bacon ones that I love a lot as well. It's just, this is the one that was in the cabinet. I'll probably microwave these and have them right alongside with the burgers. Let's see how it turns out. Boy, does this smell good in here. I tell you what. One moment, we're gonna look at something pretty. Tell you what, them burgers just about ready to be slapped on a bun, huh? I don't know. Those might be a little too done. Drip, drip. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Num num. That's gonna be some good stuff. There we go. Got me a nice bowl of beans, a couple cheeseburgers, and a big old glass of cold milk. I believe that's gonna do me just right this evening for dinner. And as always, I hope all is well. I'm gonna go ahead and dig in, and until next time, happy trails.